morning.
Today is our last day in Yogyakarta, and we are going to spend it with these two awesome guys. They're going to show us around and take us around this morning, show us a day in their life. Rice paddies, farming, cooking, markets.
Last cooking.
Cooking. The market. It's a little bit later in the day for Indonesians. It's almost 9 a.m., which some of them start at like 4 a.m. to go to the market to get everything they need for the day. So we're gonna get some supplies. Broccoli.
Broccoli. This is for the vegetarian.
I like it all. I like everything.
And you?
Ginger?
I don't know the English name.
Ginger root?
Laos.
Oh, it's
For the cooking. For the
yeah, for cooking.
tumis, for the Indonesian oseng-oseng. This is 2000.
2000?
Yes.
Terima kasih.
Yeah.
How much are like? How much is that? Will you eat some?
meat. Milk. Hello.
This is 16,000.
16,000. For what?
Half kilo.
Half kilo. 16,000.
16.
Yeah, 1/6. Yeah, I understand. We got some good,
There you go.
yummy stuff for our feast that these men are going to cook for us.
Eggs? Oh, I love that.
You can literally buy anything in that market. Chicken, fish, tofu, vegetables. Each person has their own stand, their own things that they generally bring from home or their husband's farm or whatever, and then they bring it to the market and they sell it. Cool.
I love papaya. It's my favorite.
Holy, that's a huge papaya.
Yeah.
Look.
15 ribu.
Cuman separuh bener sakit dong.
How much? How much is the whole thing?
15,000.
Sure, let's get it. 15.
You got more stuff?
You got some more veggies. Yeah, let's go.
Vegetable.
Vegetable. Good. Okay, bye-bye. Back on the road again. Got our food. I think it was about 200,000 rupiah, but that included 2 packs of cigarettes for the gentleman that smoked. The packs of cigarettes are only like 22,000, so that's like $2. And now, where are we going? To your house? No, to his house.
My house is far away from here.
Ah, right. Hello. 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 You shake my hand. Nice to meet you. Angie. Whitney. Whitney.
I know. Okay, sure. I'll bring my shoes in. Yeah.
What?
Sorry, it's not so clean, yeah?
Don't worry. Do not worry about it. It's fantastic. It's fantastic. I love this. Thank you. Your house is beautiful.
So this is your kitchen.
Yeah.
This is where you cook. Garlic.
So good, Timo. Timo? So good. Is it spicy? Let's see, it's spicy.
I take photo.
Next time on Bear Witness, we go to Bali.